nice garage here. I want to show you what I'm working on right now. I am working on the Hulk Resurrection, a 2002 Chevy Silverado, two-wheel drive short bed. I live up in the Northeast, so you're going to expect rust. This frame's pretty clean. I know you guys are going to laugh at that, but for up here, this is pretty clean. So the plan is, it's a short bed truck. We took the bed off yesterday. It's going to get, I'm not sure if I'm going to actually put the wheel wells on it or look for another bed. There's a lot of people up here bringing Southern clean beds up. So haven't made that decision yet. But the plan of attack was first. We just pulled the bed off yesterday, as I said that, and we're just going off and scraping off any of the scale that would still be on this frame before I pour 15 it and then paint it. So as you can see, you know, the rust has gotten to this shackle, which I have a 2.4 drop kit, so I'm not overly concerned with that stuff. I'm replacing all the brake lines. I'm replacing all the brakes. I have cross-drilled rotors, calipers, new brake lines, stainless steel brake lines, new shocks. So we're basically going to build a brand new truck out of this old truck. But as you can see, I have some work here. We're going to wire wheel, you know, get all the scale off. Looks like at one point this truck may have been undercoated. We're getting a lot of that off there, which may have saved this in the long run. But probably change the drive shaft, maybe to an aluminum, or just pull it off, clean it up. But this is the Hulk Resurrection. So if you guys have any tips, any questions for what I'm going to do, any tips of suggestions you would do, please let me know. And subscribe to this channel so you guys can see this truck turn around from not to hot. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.